The first thing you'll need to do is go to getpaid.com, which is the website we'll be using for this. You can just type its name into the search bar and then click. Watch just one ad and you will earn $5. Watch 2 ads and you will make about $10. Watch 10 ads and you will get paid $50 repeatedly. I'll be showing you how the website works and how to get paid $6 for viewing ads. Later, I'll also show you how to automate the process so you can get paid when others watch. If you don't do it the way I show you, you probably won't make any money. These advertisements now, as you can see above, have many payment options. For instance, you can withdraw your money using paper for Skrill cryptocurrency and bank accounts, with a minimum withdrawal of only 50 cents, which is simple to do right now. If you're based in the US or the UK, you can also elect to be paid in Amazon gift cards, but for the time being, PayPal is the simplest option. If you don't already have an account, simply go to paypal.com to easily create one. It's totally free and functions on a global scale. Let's return to the website. The first thing you should do is, obviously, create an account, which is really simple to accomplish. Just click the link that reads, "Join free today," and it will lead you to a page where you can enter your own information, including your name and email address. This is how the home page will appear. Pay now. You will see here different ways to make money from this website, but our focus today will be only on making money by watching ads. As you can see here, we have different featured offers where you can earn points. 1250 points, 1575 points, 4620 points, etc. There are unlimited offers here, and you can also see what other people are earning. As I said, you will see here different ways to make money here from this website, but I don't want you to get lost and confused. This will take you to a page where you must basically click this green button that says view and then watch a quick ad in order for points to start adding to your account, which can then be converted into money. For example, this one will earn you 50 points. Go here where it says earn points, then go to quick points, and then select this option where it says click on URLs to earn easy points. This will take you to this page. To watch all of these ads here, it won't take you more than 15 to 25 minutes. Next, let's move on to the referrals section of the video, where I'll show you how you can get paid by others actually clicking these buttons and watching the ads, and then you receive a portion of their earnings. This is the most crucial part of the video, as it actually demonstrates how you can make money. Now let's go back to the home page to demonstrate how referrals work. If you scroll down here, you will see that they have a referral program. Just hit this orange box where it says see your referrals, and it will take you to this page, where, as you can see, it says refer and get paid. Invite your friends and get paid. You can find various types of offers, but you can also occasionally find ads that you can watch. You literally have to do no work other than inviting people to the website. Before we continue, click here to copy your referral link. For instance, if someone earns $100, you will receive $15. If someone earns $1,000, you will receive $175, and so on. You literally have to do no work other than inviting people to the website. I'll now share with you my own strategy for how I generate thousands of referrals each day for free. You can start doing it right away, and then type "make money online" into the search bar. Next, scroll down and choose groups. Then, public groups will let you join without having to wait to be accepted. As you can see, there are many of these make money online groups. Let's just choose this one as an example. Next, you should check to see if the group has a lot of members. The more members a group has, the better it will be. Quora.com, where people come to ask questions about a variety of topics, is another excellent method that I prefer and that yields even more results than Facebook. Since our goal here is to answer people's questions, this method is ideal for what we are doing. Basically, all you have to do is type in the search bar, "make money online," and it will display a variety of questions from people asking how to make money online. What's even better about Quora is that your answers will also show up on Google searches, so you only have to do the work once, and your answers will remain there forever, generating you passive income every single day. However, as I previously advised, don't just spam links without giving people a good answer to their questions. If you do that, you may just get your account terminated. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel or follow us for more valuable tips, updates, and exclusive opportunities to maximize your earning potential. It's time to turn your typing skills into cash.